Wow, a new video out so soon? How come? How come? Anyways, guys, how are y'all doing? Welcome back to another video. Today, I was just looking through my liveries, just getting ready for preseason testing, and I just can't wait, man. I can't wait for the preseason testing. We're just getting closer and closer to this day, and yeah, my beautiful livery, my beautiful BMW, just getting ready. Wait, what was that previous livery? Huh? I thought they announced their departure. AlphaTauri Visa. They just announced their early departure from my career. If you haven't seen this post, here it is. And I just can't believe that they went out. They just left my career without a trace. Well, today our objective will be replace this AlphaTauri livery with our BMW livery. So it'll be 10 teams instead of 11. Bringing from the 11th spot to the 10th spot to the AlphaTauris, you know. I'm also gonna be showing you how to upload a livery to Monoposto, how to upload the sponsors on it, same shit, how to upload the driver numbers on it, everything you'd want to, absolutely. So let's go. First, if you want to begin changing things, you have to press the upper top button over there, which said the paintbrush there, or whatever thing it was. This is our main menu of changing stuff of the car. It goes for the main color of the team, I guess you could say, the main color of the car. You can change the number of the liveries you can save. There are 18 maximum liveries you can save in this game. Now I have number 17 because number 17 is being there. So livery color, sponsors, same goes for the sponsors. You can you can have more than 18, but I don't fully know that. Surface is you can change the up to 5, more than 5, but I keep it on 5 because I don't fully understand the surface. And there was a logo there, but I'll talk about that later. So this is where you change the names. You can change the team name. We're gonna now name it to BMW Sauber. And there you go, simple as that. And you can press OK there. Then you can change the country flag of it. We need now Germany. I'm gonna just go find it. There you go. Now we're gonna start naming the drivers. The driver 1, we're gonna name it to myself, Italiano George, and Richard Vishaw. Then below there, scale of the drivers you can change, car power of the car you can change. I'm not looking forward to that, but there was also below that. There's also the abbreviation of the driver. For me, I keep it on ITG, but I don't know if anyone cares. And for Richard, it's VES, so I don't mistake it with Max Verstappen's. Then the country flag of the driver, of course. I keep it on Georgia, and Richard Vishaw will be on Netherlands. There's also the helmet color of the like the next to the car power. There's helmet stuff, and there's a color there. This means the helmet color. If you're not using a custom helmet, this just sets your default helmet color. So, but I use custom helmets, so this is useless for me. And I'll just add the last thing that you can change your driver's number as well. I changed it to my 65, and Richard was 49. Alright, we're done with the customization of the team name, driver's names, etc. Right now we have to look onto the car and see that we have to change the livery. To change the livery, we have to press the load new button next to the livery drop down menu, next to it, you know. You press the load new button, then it appears this. As you can see, we have 3 options to import our livery from our phone: Gallery, File Manager, to Google Photos. I'm gonna choose Gallery because Gallery is the most common here. I already have my livery saved in Monoposto, so it's on number 4. But one thing you have to actually notice is that your photo/livery has to be at the size of 1024 x 512. But now listen. If your livery photo didn't meet the size requirements, it will not load. Absolutely, just forget it. But I'm pretty sure this will not be your problem if you just get the photo, get the livery from the Monoposto official Discord server. Now the same goes for the sponsors. I'm not gonna bubble too much about it. So basically, if you want to load more, just press load more, and you got same 3 options again. Choose whatever you want, and you just load the shit in. That's about it. If you're still unsure, I'll show you like the livery example right here. And here's the sponsor example. Seems too understandable to you? Okay, now shut up and follow me to the logo section. I totally forgot to show you, but when you go racing, the game allows you to choose your driver. So when you choose your driver and you go racing, there's also like 2 options where you can load your helmet and load your suit. Custom helmet and custom shield suit. So basically the same thing happens also with the liveries and sponsors, so I'm pretty sure you will have no problem there. Just make sure it's the right size. Here's the helmet example and here's the suit example. You can get these from the official Monoposto Discord server, which I'll link in the description. And we're finally through the final part of the video, loading custom team logos, custom driver numbers, and custom driver images, which I don't use, but you can use it. So every time the starting grid appears, your images will appear, so yeah. And which you can get those in the official Monoposto Discord server. So when you press the load team logos button, it just shows you a pop-up which tells you which option you want to choose, just like with the liveries and sponsors. You choose the gallery button, the gallery option, and you just get your image. This is currently the one I'm using. And for the driver numbers, same thing, but I'm kind of having trouble with those. But yeah, pretty much that's what you do. And this is the currently one I'm using. Yeah. And finally, this final thing I want to final touch. This is where you can synchronize your data. So every time you accidentally or maybe on purpose uninstall the game, you can reinstall it and all your shit on the game will be saved. So yeah. So I want to thank y'all for watching this video, and the first round of the My Career Season 2 will be around the corner, so stay tuned.